Yes, hello guys. Here we are today again. I just want to share this to you guys. My EA that I created on FX Stream free account. So as you can see here, this is an EA from FX Dream. So this was just a test, guys, but I use it on FTMO demo account just to see if it pass the challenge. As you can see, I will show you that it already passed the challenge. As you can see, here are the matrix. As you can see, guys, I have this version 707 here. So see, this is the what we call this, the credentials or metrics of the EA on the account. See that one. So the DD is so far is 1.9%, and the max was you can see here. So it passes the challenge already on a 100,000 account in just 3 days. As you can see, guys, I already passed the challenge on this kind of account since March 3. So as you can see here, I created this EA last March 3, 707. So let's just monitor this, guys, in a little bit further, and I will share the EA with you. Just send me a screenshots that you subscribe on my channel, and I will share the code with you guys. And thank you very much, and goodbye.